So in this video we will be creating a simple HTML document, and by doing so we will learn about some basics of HTML, which is how we can create a title of our document, adding a heading. This is a h1 tag, how we can add an image, and then a simple paragraph with the line break in it, and also how we can make a portion of our sentence bold and emphasis tag. We will also add some h2 elements like these ones, and then another paragraph with a line break in it, and then we will have some a small list. So let's get into the video. So here's the code behind our HTML document. Let me remove all the contents on this page and we will start fresh. So I've saved it, and as you can see, everything is gone. We don't have anything. Something to make note is I have created a folder, and in that I have index.html file and the profile picture. You can use any you want, so I'm just using a sample picture. So first we will start by creating our HTML doc type element. This will tell doc type declaration tag. It tells what type of document, it tells the browser what type of document it is, and then after that we will be adding the root HTML element, and inside that we will add two tags. One is head, and another one is body. So all the metadata will go inside our head tag. As you can see, these are all empty and there is nothing to display so far, but soon we will have some information. First we will add title for our HTML document, and we can do so by typing in title, and inside that we can give, I'll just give in my name, and as you can see we have it gets reflected here in the preview as well as on our page as well. All the contents that display on the web page will go under the body element, so inside the body element. So we will start by adding a h1 element, heading element, and here I will say hello Now we have our heading, and then we will add an image, img, and then we'll close it, and then we need source for that image. And now the source, whatever you add, should match the name of the file, and I would suggest you put it in the same folder that you have your index.html. so it is my profile pic, my profile pic.png. so as you can see, it appears, we can see it in the preview, and then we will add a alt tag to it. So alt tag is basically displays a portion of small text when the image is not available. So I'll just say this is profile picture. You can keep it as simple as possible, and then we will change the height and width of this image element. So I'll start by width, and then we will give it a width of 200 maybe, and then height of 200 as well. We can increase, decrease depending upon our preference. Now next we will add a paragraph, and here I will just okay, software. So this is just a sample text. You can put in whatever you want. For example, we want to make this portion of our text bold. How can we do that? It can be done easily by just adding a B tag, and we'll just cut it and paste it. So anything inside this B element will become bold. I will add a line break, so we can add a line break by doing so, and then I'll add a short text. CUINT, am I currently working at Sun Life? Okay. Now let's customize it by just adding an emphasis. So EM, and so what emphasis tag does is it italicizes the portion of the text. So it puts emphasis. So if you want to put emphasis on certain portion of the text, we can do so by adding emphasis tag. Now if I want to put a space between these two lines, right, I can add another line break like so. Simple as that, and it also gets reflected here. Okay, now something I forgot. For example, how can you do this, right? How can you get a preview? So I have a video where I show how you can add an extension, a live preview. This is the extension I'm using to preview side by side, but you can also install the similar one, and we can show preview by just right clicking, show preview, and I just copied this URL and just pasted it into the web browser like so. Okay, now let's add another heading, but this time we will add a H2 element. So what the difference between H1 and H2 is, the H2 element has a little bit small in size. So about me, so we have a about me tag, and then we will add a paragraph for this. And for this I'll just copy and paste some content that I already have. Copy and then paste. I added this, but I want a line break for this, BR, and then I would like to add some more content, just showing how we can make use of line break, right? So save this page. Now after this, let's add another heading, another H2, that will be my tool kit, right? And then underneath that, let's add a list, UL. So this is the tag we will use for adding a list. UL stands for unordered list, and to add contents of this list we will need another tag called li. So this is the list item first. Okay, now I'll just copy and paste the elements I already have to make a little fast. So we have all the items, and now here if we want to, so unordered list is always starts with a bullet point. Now for example, if we want numbers, right, and we can easily do so by using ordered list, which starts with OL. So OL stands for ordered list, right? And as you can see, everything gets reflected here. And I think that is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. And if you liked my content, please do share and like the video. Thanks for watching.